Hi everyone, welcome to Momuscraft. Today, we'll learn how to create a tiger mask. This mask is one of my favorites, and the best thing is that compared to other designs, it is very quick to do. To create the mask, we're going to use orange, black, and white cardboard. We'll also download and print the templates, so you have the link in the description and in the comments. There you can choose between the standard size or child size for your mask. In case it's your first time here, you will also be able to see how to cut the pieces and how to fold them. Here we already have our pieces ready. The first page of the templates is white, the next 2 pages are black, and the other 4 pages are orange. We're going to start creating our mask, so we'll start by joining the pieces with numbers 1 and 2. We'll just put glue on piece 2 and join them with piece 1. We'll continue with pieces 3 and 4. We'll join this flap that piece 3 has, and when we finish shaping it, we'll put glue on piece 4 and add it. At this moment, we're creating the tiger's forehead. To finish with the forehead, we'll join piece 5 with piece 6 in this way. Then we'll simply add it to the pieces that we previously formed. The first stripes of our tiger mask are beginning to be noticed. When finished, we'll join these 2 parts to continue with the design. The next thing will be to create the tiger's ears, so we'll use these 2 pieces. First, we'll shape each one and then add it to the mask. Piece 7 goes on the right side and piece 8 on the left side. Now we're going to use parts 9, 10, and 11. We'll start by adding glue in part 10 and join it with part 11. To finish forming these 3 parts, we'll also add part 9. Our mask is turning out very well. To paste these other 2 pieces, we'll add glue on piece 12 and join it with the ones we have just created. We'll also put glue on these flaps and glue piece 13. We'll join this part that we have just created on the right side of the mask. With the following pieces, we're going to form a figure similar to the one we joined. So to create it, we'll join the pieces in the same way, only that in the end this part goes on the left side of the mask. Remember that we have many more designs on the channel, so subscribe and check out other masks. Now we're going to use these 2 pieces. First, we'll glue the flaps that piece 19 has to finish forming it, and then join it with piece 20. At this point, the mask still does not show the tiger figure, but you will see that with the following pieces you will notice the change. Pieces 21, 22, and 23 will be the last ones we'll add. So we'll glue and join piece 22 to form the nose. And then we'll glue piece 23 to create the fangs of our tiger. Like the video to motivate me to create masks like this one. At the end, we only have to join this part to the mask. We still need something to help us use the mask, so we'll use 2 wool threads of approximately 30 centimeters. We'll make 2 holes on both sides of the mask with the tip of the scissors, and when finished we'll add a thread on each side of the mask. To finish, we'll make a knot in both to secure. And now we have our tiger mask ready. Remember that you can support this content by joining Premium Momuscraft, and you can download any template from the channel without ads. Thank you very much for watching the video.